Alright, well in this video here I'm going to be unboxing a Stage 1 XTD clutch for the 09 Audi A3. Going to be also putting up a little time lapse of me installing it. Oh shit, nice. This is completely metal. Alright, so XTD Stage 1 clutch unboxing. This is going to go in the black A3 because the car has 130,000 miles and the friction disc looks completely fucking worn. So here we go, let's see. Alignment tool, nice, cool, whatever. Pressure plate. So this is supposed to hold up to 40 to 50% more power than stock. We'll see. We're not really looking to bump the power up on this car because it's a teenager's car. So maybe Stage 1 ECU tune. So this should hold. I've ran the friction disc before on the GTI, held up the Stage 2 power just fine. Bunch of no lift shifting, you know, whatever. I still run that car hard and the clutch held fine. But now we're going to Clutch Max Stage 2. In preparation for the KO4, and the friction disc looks like any other fucking friction disc. And this should be the flywheel. It's a single mass. Don't know how much it actually weighs. They didn't specify on the site. So it's not lightweight, but it's lighter than stock. Alright, like I said, that's it. The only thing that it didn't come with is hardware, so I guess I'll have to reuse the old hardware and put some Loctite on it. Shout out to Aimco Clutch on eBay. They're the ones that sold me the clutch. Going to a little quick story here with them. I'm a lowballer. I like to lowball the shit out of everybody, especially on eBay. So I sent them a lowball offer. We went back and forth, and in the final offer that they sent me, somebody messed up and sent me $100 less than what I had offered first. Obviously I accepted that offer, made the payment, and yeah, I thought that they would find a way to cancel the order, but no. A day later they shipped it out. Later that week it arrived, and then I unboxed it. So shout out to them. I'm not saying that if you lowball them they're gonna fuck up with it and you can get a clutch for $100 less than what they're selling it for, but shout out to them for owning up to their mistake and honoring the deal. So, but yep, just enjoy the video, and I'm also going to put some sound clips of the clutch chatter because it is a single mass flywheel. It's not that bad at idle with the AC off, but with the AC on you can definitely hear it more. but I'm not really too worried about it. This is my stepson's car, and we're right now just trying to break it in. That way we can have some fun with it later on. So yep, stay tuned. All right, well, here's the clip with the AC on. Jeez. Yeah, this is what it sounds like with the AC on. Not sure if you can hear it from the inside. I got the window down. Shitty recording here. That's AC on. And this is AC off. So it's noticeable, kind of noticeable when it's off. When it's on, though, it's very noticeable. And only people that don't know shit about, cars and clutches and flywheels are gonna be like, "Oh, your car sounds broken," but whatever. For the culture, there you go. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, like and subscribe, I guess.